Welcome back to another Celebrity Sweets. I'm Ethan, and now when I'm not baking and filming and editing, which is like really never, I oftentimes find myself like scrolling through Instagram and Twitter and YouTube. And over the course of a few months, I started to see this like lemonade bottle. Like just periodically, it just pop up, and I'm just kind of like, hey, that's kind of cool. Don't really know what it is, but you know, it's fine. But then I started to see it more and more. And when I'm filming this video right now, the #1 video on trending also has that lemonade bottle. So I was very curious and I did some research trying to figure out what this was. Now this is Lyrical Lemonade. So today we are going to be making that Lyrical Lemonade logo, the lemonade carton. And we're going to be making it out of some Rice Krispies. They're actually going to be flavored with lemon themselves. And the ingredients for this recipe are 6 cups of Rice Krispies, 1.5 cups of marshmallows, 3 sticks of butter, 1 large lemon. The first thing we want to do is prepare our lemon for this recipe. We are going to start by zesting it and then juicing it. We are looking for about a tablespoon of lemon zest and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. When you've prepared your lemon, we now want to take all of our ingredients and a large stock pot over to the stove. But first, we don't need this marshmallow. I've just been eyeing this marshmallow. Oh, jeez. I'll still eat it. Don't worry. Take 2. Whatever. Fine. On low heat, add in your butter, lemon juice, and lemon zest, and cook until the butter is completely melted. Once melted, start stirring in your marshmallows. And when your marshmallows are melted, add in a few drops of blue food coloring and start stirring in your Rice Krispies. When your Rice Krispies have come together, I've just taken them off the stove, and now we can start to place them into our pan. This is a 9 by 13 inch glass pan that I've greased with just a little bit of butter to make sure that it doesn't stick. We want to scoop all of our Rice Krispies into our pan. When your Rice Krispies are a nice flat layer, we now want to let these sit until they are not sticky to the touch. This takes about anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes. While our Rice Krispies are setting, I actually did my favorite thing and made a template. I used a cookie cutter, the same one that we're going to cut our Rice Krispies out, and actually freehanded this, and it looks pretty good. I mean, maybe not Lyrical Lemonade yet. I've also melted down some candy melts in white, red, and yellow to get some details. I'm going to start by making the straw for our lemonade carton. Begin by piping a white line on the bottom of your parchment paper, then a red line on top of that, white, red, white, and end with red. To make the lemon detail, I'm going to start by taking our yellow candy melts and piping a half sphere on the bottom of our template. Allow that to set and move up to the lemonade bar. This is just a simple yellow rectangle. There's also a yellow rectangle at the top of the carton, and I'm going to make that out of candy melts. When your yellow candy melts have completely hardened, I'm going to go back and pipe on some more details to our lemon, and also write the words lemonade onto our yellow rectangle. I'm also going to use our template and pipe on the words Leary and Cal underneath that. Our Rice Krispie treats have set up, and now we can cut these out. I'm going to be cutting them out with a rectangle cookie cutter here. Again, simply cutting out as many as I can using a spatula to help me remove them from the pan. I've cut out one of our Rice Krispies here, and now what I want to do is actually just trim it down a little bit. We're just going to like angle the corners, kind of to give it that milk carton look. It's going to be like a 2D. We're not going to get like the 100% music part, but we are going to get like the front, which I think is better. Oh, look, it stands up. Next, we can start to assemble this with our candy melt details. I've got some more yellow candy melts here, and I'm going to pipe a yellow band on the top of our Rice Krispie. Below that yellow line, I want to add on our small rectangle. Once you've added on your yellow rectangle, I've got some white candy melts here to help us attach on our straw. And here we have it, our Lyrical Lemonade inspired Rice Krispie treats that we made today in honor of just Lyrical Lemonade. It's such a cool platform. It's got like 10 million subscribers here on YouTube. They're doing like amazing videos. So I just wanted to celebrate that. And we made this easy Rice Krispie treat, which we flavored with some lemon juice and lemon zest. And then we topped it off with some candy melts. This is a very simple treat, perfect for breakfast or dessert, or breakfast for dessert, or dessert for breakfast. And if you happen to make this, please share it with me on Instagram or Twitter. And if you have any other requests for another celebrity sweets, please leave those down in the comments below as well. Also, don't forget to share this video with someone who likes Lyrical Lemonade, whatever they do, wants a Rice Krispie recipe, lemons, I don't know. Share this video and tell them to subscribe. Let's try to hit 100 subscribers. Until next time, savor life and make it sweet. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking this cute little donut right down here. If you're looking for more content, up here's my latest video, and down here's what YouTube thinks you should watch. That's all for today. I will see you guys in the next video.